How to make an Ethernet cable. To start, you will need a cable, a crimper tool, a cable stripper, a wire cutter, RJ45 end, and a cable tester. Take your cable, strip it in both ends using a cable stripper. Cut off the plastic separator in the middle. Arrange the wire. There are two ways to arrange the wire. We will be using the common one, which is white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, brown. When you are done with arranging the wires, trim them down. Then put the wires into the end. Make sure each wire goes to its slot. Crimp the end onto the cable and repeat on the other side. And your cable is done. Use a cable tester to test your cable.